I love this thing. It's a great upgrade from the old Garmin Edge 1000 I had previously. I also use their Vivo Smart 4 watch to get my heart rate data, and I use their smart headlight and radar taillight and a Stages power meter. The 1030 perfectly integrates with these other devices without any hiccups, along with the gear information from my D2 group set, and getting all my data combined on the Garmin Connect app, and its syncing to Strava is flawless. I am very happy with this expensive, but handy computer. You want to improve your training flying in the dark, you have to collect data and then get the analysis, feedback. Garmin does this at a very high level without frustrating the user. I've had 3 Garmin Edge products in the past and am a customer for life. My last one was the Edge 800, and wow, the new features on this one make it seem like I'm driving in a car under my own leg power with all the features of an automobile. Does a good job of recording my various bike route times, distances, etc. Steep learning curve setting up unit for me. I relied on several YouTube how-tos to set my Garmin up. I have a tendency to crash a lot and added a third-party silicone case and screen protector for my Garmin. Still learning how to set up routes and use built-in maps. Much more accurate than MapMyRide. I had the 1000 and gave it to my son-in-law. While the functionality of the 1000 Plus is much the same, the bigger screen is much easier to read, and that alone made the upgrade worthwhile for me. Significant increased performance versus 1030, superior battery life, auto-syncing of external devices, screen brightness and readability. Excellent. And the supplier, the Play Better store, went above and beyond the call of duty to send the Garmin 1030 Plus expeditiously, accurately, and completely hassle-free. They even were able to get a shipping label changed at the last minute that was incorrectly submitted to FedEx, my bad. A plus and kudos for being such a customer-centric, professional, client-friendly company. It's a really great product. It does the job and even more. The new rerouting option and pausing your route is great. Don't mind the case, it's for the 1030 case, but it fits the 1030 Plus also. Worked well and connected to all attachments with no issues. I don't have a problem with the size of the unit that some reviews complained about. It has a lot of interesting training perks and the setup doesn't take that long. Con. For the price I expected a higher quality operating system, GPS, and a smoother experience over the competitors. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.